What if your EV battery doesn't die, but actually outlives your car? It sounds wild, but it's already happening. Modern electric vehicle batteries are so durable, they can last 20 years or more, outperforming the lifespan of most cars on the road today. If you're an EV owner worried about resale value, range loss, or expensive repairs, you're not alone. These fears are everywhere, and the media keeps repeating them. But here's the truth. Many EVs are aging better than anyone expected. And the panic about battery failure by 2030? It might just be a myth. Picture this. You've driven the same electric car for a decade. It still gets you 250 miles on a single charge. No oil changes, no engine repairs. Just quiet, consistent power. If you already own, or are thinking of buying, an EV, this video could change how you see your car's future. Because in the next few minutes, we'll show you why battery tech is holding up better than critics predicted, what the real risks are, and why your EV might be the most future-proof vehicle you've ever owned. Stick around. What we uncover next may flip your whole understanding of EV life cycles. The fear is everywhere. Your EV battery will die by 2030. It sounds terrifying, especially when your car is your second biggest investment. And honestly, that fear makes sense. No one wants to spend tens of thousands on a vehicle that quietly loses power year after year. But reality tells a different story. Stanford researchers found that modern EV batteries degrade at just 1.8% per year on average. That means a 300-mile range car today could still deliver 250-plus miles by 2035 without replacement. In fact, recent data shows EV batteries are outperforming early expectations by over 40% in terms of longevity. So why do headlines still scream about battery death? Because the science evolved, but the fear didn't. The truth? We've gone from worry to resilience. But let's ask the real question. What happens if something does go wrong? One of the biggest EV horror stories? A $16,000 battery replacement bill. It's the stuff of Reddit threads and late-night anxiety spirals. And for many EV owners, it raises a painful question. What if something breaks after the warranty? Only about 2.5% of EV batteries ever need full replacement. Most issues are caught under warranty. Charging is getting faster, smarter, and more universal by the month. But the real twist? Even when EVs retire, their batteries live on, powering homes, solar systems, and even stabilizing city grids. So instead of being left behind, your EV could hold value twice. First as transportation and later as an energy source. Compatibility concerns? Solved. Second life value? Rising. Which brings us to the big myth. Is your EV actually on the road to being worthless? Or is that fear just fiction? The EV battery, once feared as a ticking time bomb, is turning out to be its strongest asset. Modern electric vehicles aren't becoming obsolete. They're becoming modular, upgradable, and more adaptable than ever. As the facts emerge, the fear fades. The truth? Your EV is built for the long game. You're not just driving a car, you're part of a sustainable tech shift, redefining the future of mobility. And that battery everyone said would die early? It might just outlive the car itself. Worried about owning an EV in 2030? Don't be. You should be excited. With durable batteries, smart updates, and growing second life value, the future's on your side. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real EV insights. And drop your EV model plus battery story in the comments. We're all learning together. So ask yourself, are you still judging your EV by outdated fears or modern facts?